Today we shall do convex polygons, those polygons which have their interior angles less than 180 degree. So we shall do the property of interior angles as well as exterior angles of the polygons, convex polygons today. First we discuss the sum of interior angles of a convex polygon. So I start with triangle. You know that the sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. The interior angles of the triangle is 180 degree. And if someone asks you why it is 180 degree, we have a proof that if we draw a line parallel to this line here, and if we bring this angle, if it is B, on the other side alternate angle to this side, and if it is C and we bring an alternate angle on this side C, and if it is itself A, then the sum of the adjacent angles equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. We shall say adjacent angles, and the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So if we take this B on this side and C on this side, it will be alternate on the other side, and when we shall take these three angles are on a straight line, and you know that the straight angle or angles on a straight line equals to 180 degree. So the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if I briefly write this fact, I shall write that a triangle has three sides, and the sum of the interior angles of a triangle will be 180, that is 3 sides minus 2, 1 into 180. So now if we go for the quadrilaterals, if I draw here a rectangle, you know all four angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. Similarly, all four angles of a square, the interior angles are 90 degree. But if you go for any quadrilateral, you will have the sum of the interior angles 360 degree. Or you can also define it as, if I draw a line and if I convert it into two triangles, 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. So when I shall brief this fact also, I shall have a quadrilateral. It has four sides, and the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 4 minus 2. In triangle we have taken 3 minus 2. In quadrilateral we shall have 4 minus 2, that is 2 into 180, and the answer will be 360 degree. Here we have ABCDE, a pentagon. It is not a regular figure because every regular figure has same angles, equal angles. So it is having A plus 121 plus A plus 107. As there are 5 angles and we have to find the value of the unknown A. So we shall apply this formula. We will add all these. A plus 121 plus A plus 107 plus A equals to 5 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 minus 2 into 180, that is 3 into 180. I shall add these three A's. I shall have 3A. 121 plus 107 will give me, it is 288, 228. And now here on this side I have 3 multiplied by 180. It is 540. I shall bring this 228 on the other side. I shall subtract 228 from the other side. I shall have 312, and when I have to find the value of A, I shall divide this 312 with 3, and the answer of A will be 104 degree. So each unknown interior angle is 104 degree. Another example, a six-sided polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 angles. So we shall add 3B plus 4B plus we have 122. The sum of all these 6 will be 6 minus 2 into 180. 3B plus 4B will give me 7B. When I shall add these 4, it is 468, and on this side when I shall multiply 480 with 4, 720. When I shall take this 468 on the other side, I will subtract from 720. 7B will give me 252, and when I shall find the value of B, I shall divide this 252 with 7. and the value of B is 36. Now the question is, we have to find the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon with 24 sides. So if we have to find the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon, we shall just subtract 2 from 24 and we'll have 22 multiplied by 180, and when I shall multiply 22 with 18, I shall have 396 along with this 0. This is the sum of the interior angles, all angles, the sum is 3960. And when it is a regular polygon, so if we have to find the size of each angle, the size of each angle will be same because it's a regular figure. A regular figure have all angles equal. So when we have to find the size of each angle, I shall divide this sum of the interior angles, sum of all angles with 24, and I can have the size of each interior angle, 165 degree. So the figure, the polygon which has 24 sides and all its interior angles are same, the sum of the interior angles is 3960. Either they are same or not, the sum is 3960, but each interior angle, if it is same and if it is a regular figure, the each interior angle is equals to 165 degree. Our next target is sum of exterior angles of a polygon. The smallest possible polygon, that is triangle. If I have this interior angle A, its exterior angle will be 180 minus A. If I have this angle B, its exterior angle will be 180 minus B. And if this is C, the exterior angle will be 180 minus C, right? Okay, now if I change their names, for example, if I make this 180 minus B and write it B, that if the exterior angle is B, the interior angle will be adjacent 180 minus B. If this is C, outside, the interior angle will be 180 minus C. As the sum of these two angles are on a straight line, they are adjacent, so their sum is 180. If this is A, exterior angle is A, interior angle will be 180 minus A. So if I take the sum of the interior angles, 180 minus A plus 180 minus B plus 180 minus C, you know the sum of the interior angles of any polygon is n minus 2 into 180, that is, here we have 3 sides, so it is 3 minus 2 into 180, that is 180. If I open these brackets, I have 3 times 180, it will give me 540, and then I shall have minus A minus B minus C equals to 1 into 180. If I take this 540 on the other side and if I take this negative sign common, you can see I have 180 minus 540, which will give me negative 360. And if I cancel this negative sign with this negative sign, I shall have the sum of exterior angles equals to 360 degree. This negative sign will cancel this negative sign and I shall have the sum of the exterior angles equals to 360 degree. We can apply the same rule on quadrilaters, like if we have this angle 90, the exterior angle is also 90. If this angle is 90, this exterior angle is also 90. If this angle is 90, the exterior angle is also 90. And if this angle is 90, we have this exterior angle also equal to 90 degree. So the sum of 9 multiply 4, the sum of exterior angles of a rectangle is also 360 degree. Now we have a question. We have to find the number of sides of a regular polygon if its each exterior angle is 40 degree and if its each interior angle is 178 degree. Exterior angle and interior angle is given. We have to find the sides of that particular regular polygon. When we are given with each exterior angle and we have to find the number of sides of that particular polygon, we shall just divide 360 with each exterior angle, and when we shall divide it, we shall have the number of sides of that particular polygon equals to 9. And now when we are given with each interior angle and we have to find the sides of that particular polygon, what we will do, we will take the formula. We shall first take the sum of interior angles, which is n minus 2 into 180 of that particular regular polygon. We shall take the sum of the interior angles. We shall divide the sum of the interior angles with the number of sides or number of angles, and when each angle is 178, this whole will be equal to 178. We shall cross multiply and get the answer. We shall have n minus 2 into 180 equals to 178 into n. I shall open it. 180n minus 180 into 2 is 360 equals to 178n. I shall bring this 178 on this side. I shall subtract it on this side, and 360 will be positive on the other side. This is 2n equals to 360, and the number of sides, sides of that particular polygon will be 180, whose each interior angle is 178. Another way to find the answer, if we have each interior angle 178, we shall have each exterior angle equals to 2, and when each exterior angle is equal to 2, we shall divide this 360, the sum of exterior angles, with 2, and we will have the number of sides equals to 180. Like here we had number of sides 9, here we have number of sides 180.